All right, let's start HTML. After you know what is HTML stand for, and you already know the history of HTML and that it begins since the beginning of www, and I assign a task for you to do before, which is you need to specify what content of your web page that you're going to show on the browser, right? So let us start writing code. You may think, what? I don't know anything yet. That's why I am here. I will be with you. Trust me. Let's do it together. First step, we need to have a text editor software. And the text editor is the software that is gonna help us to write the code. And don't worry, it is already there on your PC. There is Notepad for Windows and there is TextEdit for Mac. Sublime is a better text editor software. If you wish to use it, you may also go and install the software. VS Code or Visual Studio Code from Microsoft is the best, but you may don't need to use it right now. Maybe in the future, yes, because it is heavy and has lots of libraries. So now you have the text editor. You may open it and let's start. Here we go. After you open the text editor, we need to start by typing doctype HTML. Don't worry if you don't understand, let's keep going. Then HTML head title home page. This is gonna be the title of our page. Then we close the title tag, close the head tag, and start the body tag. Some code goes here. All right, so we have the code here, and this code or these lines of code are the basic content of every HTML file. Means that all HTML web pages must include these lines of code before adding any other elements to the web page. Alright, so you know it is some code and it is not human readable, maybe title head you can understand, but what is doctype, what is HTML, and what is so on. So let's go for it one by one. Doctype. Doctype is a short term of document type. So this tag is going to specify the type of the file for the browser. So when we run this file on the browser is going to read this and understand that the following code is HTML code because we specify HTML here. Second tag is HTML, and we have this tag to tell the browser from this line we are going to start having HTML code. And here our code will end. This is the closing tag of HTML. After HTML we have head and also we have body. As you know, head is head, body is body. Funny? Not? Alright. So the head tag is the tag that has the metadata about the web page. In this tag, we are going to have lines of code that will carry some informative information to the browser about our web page. So the things that we place between the opening tag of the head and the closing tag, it will not appear to the browser. For example, here we have a title. Title is gonna show the title of the page when we open the web page. That's for head. We may have another lines of code here and here and here, but not for now. So after we have the closing tag of the head, we are going to start the body tag. Now, anything we place between the opening tag of the body and the closing tag will appear to the browser.